Hello and welcome to my channel, where I teach you how to make money in the stock market. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of my latest videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in the stock market like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, you can always improve your skills and knowledge by following some simple tips and tricks. The first thing you need to do is to set your goals and risk tolerance. Why are you investing in the stock market? What are you hoping to achieve? How much money can you afford to lose? These are some of the questions you need to ask yourself before you start investing. Your goals and risk tolerance will determine your investment strategy and portfolio allocation. The second thing you need to do is to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different sectors, industries, countries, and asset classes. This way, you can reduce your exposure to market fluctuations and volatility. Diversification also helps you take advantage of opportunities in different markets and sectors. The third thing you need to do is to do your research. Don't invest blindly or based on emotions. Do your homework and analyze the fundamentals and performance of the companies and stocks you're interested in. Look at their earnings, revenue, growth, valuation, competitive advantage, and future prospects. You can also use technical analysis tools such as charts, indicators, and patterns to identify trends and signals. The fourth thing you need to do is to be disciplined and patient. Don't chase the hype or follow the crowd. Don't let fear or greed influence your decisions. Stick to your plan and strategy and don't let short-term fluctuations distract you from your long-term goals. Remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. You need to be consistent and persistent to achieve success. The fifth thing you need to do is to learn from your mistakes and successes. No one is perfect and everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is to learn from them and avoid repeating them. Likewise, you should also celebrate your successes and analyze what worked for you and why. Keep track of your performance and progress and adjust your strategy accordingly. These are some of the tips on how to invest in the stock market like a pro. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.